Friends, as you can see, the data is separated by commas in between. Sometimes we get this unprocessed data and we have to distribute this properly in two columns. For this, we have to select this data and go on the top data tab, and there is text to column. Click on text to column. It is delimited or fixed. We have to keep on delimited. Then next, and then select here comma, select comma, and then next, and then finish. Data will distribute into different columns. We can select all and adjust all the columns. There is another example here. Names are given. Sometimes we require names into first name, second name, last name. So you see these names are being differentiated with a space in between. So let us select these names and again go to data tab and text to column. Click on text to column, next, and then there is a space in between. You have to select the space. As soon as you select the space, it will get distributed in columns. Click next, finish. In this way we can have our data processed.